Hi, my name is Abigail Nelson, and this is my Module 1 mobile app project for CSE 310. I created a fishing log application using .NET MAUI and C#. The purpose of the project was to learn how to build a cross-platform mobile application with multiple screens, navigation, and local data storage. So this is my home screen of my application. From here, the users can add a new fishing trip, view saved trips, or learn more about the application. So I will click add fishing trip. On this page, the users enter information about the fishing trip, including like the date, location, weather, fish caught, number of fish, bait used, and some personal notes. So I can show you that. So when I save the trip, the application validates the information and stores it locally as a JSON, so it remains available after the application closes. To view the fishing trips, here's a list of saved trips. The application displays a summary of information such as the number of trips and then the total number of fish caught. So one of the trips, when you select one of the trips, it opens the details page where all the information entered by the user is displayed. So when you hit delete trip and then you can hit cancel, the application asks for that confirmation before you delete it, but we can just delete it. So after confirming, the trip is removed from the storage and then no longer it appears in the list. Now I can show you my code. So my project is organized in several folders. The models folder contains the fishing trip model, and then the services folder contains the storage service, and the pages folder contains each page of the application. So we can do fishing trip model. So this model represents a fishing trip. It stores like the trip date, the location, weather, fish type, your fish count, bait used, and like notes, and then a unique identifier. I also created different properties that make displaying the information in the interface easier. Now storage. This service handles saving and loading fishing trips. It uses like the JSON to save data locally. I also added methods to add and save and delete the trips, as you can see. Now, this page validates the user's input before creating a fishing trip object. If all the required information is entered correctly, the trip is saved using the storage service. And then this page loads the saved trips from storage whenever it appears, and then it displays them in a collection view. Selecting a trip opens the trip details page, and the details page receives the selecting fishing trip using shell navigation. From here, the users can view all the trip information or permanently delete the trip. So as a conclusion, through this project, I've been able to learn .NET MAUI application, design user interfacing, navigate between the pages, validate the user input, organize code into like models, services, or pages, and then store the application locally using JSON. In the future, I kind of want to add and able to edit existing trips, or allowing people to add like photo uploads or GPS locations. So thank you for watching my application.